Hello everyone and welcome to Bumpy. Welcome to all the new subscribers that have joined us in this past week, and thank you to the other subscribers that have been here supporting my channel for a while. Okay, so today we have two Dollar Tree DIYs. And speaking of Dollar Tree, I also have a giveaway, 4 giveaways, guys, and we'll be giving out $20 Dollar Tree gift cards. So if you've been following me on all my crafts and DIYs this past week and you don't have much supplies and you'd like to get started, you have a chance to win a $20 gift card. I'm going to post the announcement video right over here so you can get more details on how you can win that Dollar Tree gift card. Okay, so starting with our first DIY today, we are going to be doing a heart-shaped farmhouse neutral wreath, and all supplies can be found at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so let's get started with project number 1. Okay guys, items needed for project number 1 is a heart wreath from the Dollar Tree. It could be in the red or in the pink. Some Dollar Tree burlap, some twine, some deer moss in the natural green color. You'll need a pair of scissors, glue gun, and some glue stick. Okay, so let me put you on the tripod and we're going to be wrapping this wreath with this burlap. We're going to start with removing our ribbon so it's nice and loose like so. And we're going to cut this little ribbon that comes in the middle of the heart. Okay, and then we're going to start wrapping our foam wreath like so. And then I'm going to glue this part here to the back to get started. Most of you are asking me, how do you not burn your fingers? Guys, the secret to not burn your fingers is to use a low temp gun for these types of projects. Okay, so then pulling tightly, I'm just going to go all the way around the wreath with this burlap ribbon. And I'm going to pull tight. See, like so. Pulling tight. Okay, when you get to the little end here, I'm going to go ahead and cut. I'm going to pull tight, and then I'm just going to glue this down. Like so. I'm going to cut this excess piece here. Okay, and now we're going to start up here and work around as well. So right here, I'm going to glue down to get started. Okay, now once we get to this part here, we're actually just going to do the same by wrapping around we're going to be gluing the piece that we started with right over here. Pulling tight, we're going to go around and then around here. And up on top, like so. And then one more time to the top here. And then we're going to glue in the back. Like so. Before you glue, cut to the shape of the heart, your burlap, so you have a nice clean finish. Now gluing all the sides in nicely. Now gluing all the sides nice and tight, cutting all the pieces of ribbon here. And there we go, guys. We have a beautiful burlap heart. Now we have a little bit of the pink coming through, but I'm not worried about that because the next step that we're going to do, we're going to be adding to the middle of this heart, we're going to be adding the green moss. You know I love that greenery look with the burlap, so that's what we're going to do next. Okay, so I'm going to start here at the middle, and I just want a thin line, and then I'm going to start adding my green moss. And I have my moss here on a paper plate. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the line all the way around and then glue my moss like so. Okay, so let's look at our heart closely and see if we think it's done. Maybe we need a little bit here, a little bit there. I think it just needs just a little piece right over here. Okay, and if you just want to trim the pieces that are kind of hanging out, you can do so. Okay, so this one's not glued down. Let's glue that a little bit. Clean up a little bit of that web the glue creates. Okay, and now with my twine, I am going to make a hanger and place it right here in the back so I can hang my wreath. I'll do that just right over here. So I'm going to pinch this here together. I'm going to add a little bit of glue here in the middle. I'm going to press here down hard, making a little hoop for me to be able to hang. So now let me show you how this looks up on the wall. And here you have it, guys. Tell me how adorable this looks in the comments below. I absolutely love it. The total cost for this project for me was $1. So I had the burlap and I had the moss and everything on hand. All I had to do was spend $1 on the heart wreath. I styled it with 2 of the $1 Target birdies, and then I just added some natural plants here on the shelf. And here's the whole view here of the wall. I think it's so adorable. Oh guys, I just love DIY number 1. I think it's adorable. You can use this all year round. You can add it to your master bedroom decor. It's just adorable. Adorable. So now let me show you project number 2. This is really easy. All we're going to do is chalkboard paint one of the already Dollar Tree signs that is pretty nice and rustic, but the red color just doesn't go with my decor. So let me show you project number 2. Okay, items needed for project number 2 is this already rustic style Dollar Tree sign, but I'm not loving the red, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and paint everything red and just leave this in the middle. And then I'm going to do that with chalkboard paint. You're going to need a chalk or a chalk pen. You can get these for $1 something at Michael's by using a 40% coupon. I believe they're $3 something. And then a paintbrush. So let's get started and let's paint this board with chalkboard paint. As you can see here, guys, I forgot to turn on the camera as I started painting. So here I'm adding already the second coat, and I can see that it's turning out pretty nice. So as you can see, guys, this is how it turned out. Still looks a lot rustic. I did do a boo-boo over there, but oh well. I'll probably just add a little bit of lace to cover my boo-boo. And then now we are going to be writing here on the sign with our chalk pen. Happy, the Valentine's is already here, 2019. Okay, let's go put this sign up. And there it is, guys. This was a really easy project to do. Just chalk painted it, wrote Happy Valentine's was already on there, and then the 2019. I think that sign number 2 was a very easy project. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us today. Don't forget to like this video. Let's see if we can get this video up to 200 likes. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do so. You can do that down here. And don't forget to check out that Dollar Tree giveaway announcement for all the details. Thanks, and we'll see you tomorrow with another DIY. Bye-bye. No.